How do you use silence in a screenplay and make it just as powerful as dialogue? Silence is one of the most underrated tools in screenwriting. It creates tension, emotion, and even authenticity, because in real life, people don't always say what they feel. Things aren't always happening. There are moments of silence. The key is to treat silence as action and not absence. When a character says nothing, that means something. It's a choice, and every choice reveals character. For example, Sarah opens her mouth to speak and then closes it. That beat of hesitation says more than a full line of dialogue. And in your script, you can use short action lines or parentheticals to highlight silence, such as, James, quietly, right. So tell us what is happening during that moment of silence. That kind of writing tells the reader how the silence feels and not just that it exists. Silence also works beautifully in conflict. When two people argue and one of them stops talking, that's when the power shifts. It can signal defeat, defiance, or emotional withdrawal. You don't have to explain it, just show the moment that they stop engaging. You can also use silence to build tension. Think of just about any horror film where everything goes quiet just before the scare, or a drama where a pause stretches just a little bit too long. The absence of sound becomes suspense itself. But silence isn't always heavy. It can also create intimacy. Two people quietly sharing a space, a moment of peace after chaos, or a glance that says everything that words can't. Just remember that silence works best when the audience knows what could be said. The power comes from what's being held back. So when you're writing, don't rush to fill every moment with dialogue. Sometimes the most emotional line is the one that isn't spoken. And that is how to use silence in screenwriting, with purpose, tension, and meaning. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.